Hey everybody, welcome back. This is another video on this Singer 5554 heavy duty machine. You want to see what's under the hood? I do too. Stay with me, I'll be right back. Alright, welcome back. So there's a screw under the handle here and here, and there's a screw right over here. And then you take this off on the side. Okay, so there, that, and then this comes off. And let's look inside. First thing I see is all this aluminum frame. I see a lot of metal. Look at that. There's a nylon gear there, which is even on the high-end expensive machines. A lot of metal in here. There's your belt and the nylon wheel, which the expensive machines have as well. I don't see anything in here that is different. Look, it's all metal. I don't see anything in here that's different from what the high-end machines have. This is a well-made machine. Look at this. Here's the side here, all metal. There's no plastic. There's no plastic frame. The only thing that's plastic is the shell, the outside shell, which all machines are today. But this is very well put together in here. Now, where do we oil? Do we oil anything? I would put some oil in here, right there. Let's see what else. That's about it, really. That's what I would do. I put a couple drops of oil here, and then I would oil the needle crank or shaft, whatever they call it, goes up and down. But that's about it. Isn't that great? You know, the way people talk about Singer machines, you would think that they're all crap inside, but no. This is very well built. It's very sturdy, very strong. Very strong. Very strong machine. Alright guys, so you're looking for a budget machine. Singer Heavy Duty, it's a great machine. I'm telling you. And now this is a disclaimer. I do not represent the Singer Sewing Machine Company. I'm just showing you what I own. And all the results I get are because I buy quality machines and machines that are going to do what I want. Now this is for my domestic sewing. I have my industrial sewing when I'm doing all my leather. But these machines here, all my domestic machines, I don't have any problems with them. So if you're having problems with your machines, I don't know if it's your machine, but 9 3/4 times out of 10, it's the operator who doesn't know how to use them. Because people give me their machines and said they can't use them, it's a piece of crap, and I've used the machine and I have flawless, and as soon as I gave it back to them, they screwed it all up again because they're not mechanically inclined, so to speak. You know, when you put for example, when you put the foot lever down, you put it down like that. Some people, they go like this. They slam it, and they can't wait. They rip the fabric out. They rip the fabric out here. Very impatient people. They're going to destroy things. You know, they're going to destroy things. So if you don't have the patience, leave it alone. Don't even try. Don't even try. Okay? Don't even try. And don't be a parent either. If you don't have the patience for a sewing machine, don't even try to be have patience to be a parent. Wise words. Wise words. All right, everybody. Take care. There you go. That's the inside of that machine. You know, while I'm at it, let's look at the bottom. Let's look at the bottom of this machine. Look at all that metal. There's that aluminum frame. Look at that metal. And then look at this nice motor. That's inside metal. That's not plastic housing. That's a metal housing. Look at all that. Okay, now let me take this apart and see what's under here. Okay, you ready? Oh my God, more metal. Look at that. Look at this. Now there's a little felt pad here. Bet you that could be oiled. That's probably from up above. And then I could put probably a little grease here. That's what I'm thinking, a little grease maybe. But other than that, look at this. There's another felt pad here. Probably put some oil there. Yeah, because see, see, it's got oil, see? Now, some of these machines are designed where the oil is impregnated into the metal. I don't know, I don't understand that, but some of them do, where they tell you never have to oil these machines. But if you feel comfortable and you want to, just put a drop or two of oil wherever anything moves, or a little bit of grease where things move. But look at that. Look at that. And this is the Singer Heavy Duty. Yeah. So you can have confidence knowing you're buying a well-made machine. A very well-made machine. All right. All right. I hope this helps everybody. For if you want a beginner machine, look at all that. Metal everywhere. Metal. Metal and the aluminum. Everywhere. Great. You have your plastic pieces, and the outside of all these machines today are plastic housing. Where the old-fashioned machines, they were cast iron. You know, they don't make those. The only cast iron machines you're going to get anymore are industrial machines. But it's the guts on the inside that make the difference in the world. And with that aluminum frame, you got strength. And look at all the metal that goes into this. Look at all the metal here. All right, take care, everybody, and now you got more confidence knowing what you bought or what you're gonna buy. Oh, by the way, I lied. This is Walmart thread, not Coates and Clark. Walmart thread, when they used to sell their own brand, 2 for $1, made in USA. Oh my gosh, I have success, and look at that. Okay, guys, love you. Bye.